Okay, place the alphabets properly, kids. Today, welcome to A for Apple channel. Come on, kids. Come on, come on, come on, kids. Today, come on. A. Place the A. A. A for apple. A for apple. What is this letter? A. A for apple. B. B for ball. What is this letter? B. B for ball. C. C for cat. What is this letter? C. C for cat. What is this letter? C. C for cat. D for dog. What is this letter? D. D for dog.